Obstacles and the implementation of design review system. Implementing effective design review systems is a critical component of total quality management in engineering and construction industries. However, this process often encounters multiple obstacles due to the inherent complexity and multi-stakeholder involvement in design projects. So, design reviews are not solely technical exercise. They are shaped by organizational orientations, especially customer and process. A customer-oriented approach seeks competitive advantage through differentiated products and premium pricing, while a process-oriented approach focuses on internal efficiencies and quality assurance. So balancing these orientations is a big challenge for organizations attempting to enhance their design review mechanism. One of the most comprehensive studies addressing these challenges identified five categories of obstacles, and sometimes they call them silent killers, which are strategic barriers, structural barriers, human resource barriers, contextual barriers, and procedural barriers. I would like to visit each of them. Strategic barriers. These include the absence of committed leadership, weak management practices, lack of executive support, insufficient employee engagement, frequent turnover among senior staff, undefined or conflicting organizational goals, and poor alignment across teams. Without strong leadership and a shared strategic vision, design review processes struggle to gain traction or remain consistent. Structural barriers. Many organizations lack the physical and digital infrastructure necessary to support their design reviews. These barriers encompass insufficient allocation of resources, such as personnel, time, tool, poorly defined organizational structures, and inadequate systems for storing and sharing design data and feedback. These deficiencies limit the ability to track changes and ensure accountability. Human resource barriers. As we all aware that the success of design reviews links to knowledgeable and committed personnel. Challenges in this area include a shortage of skilled staff, limited training opportunity, low morale, poor motivation, high turnover, and resistance to change. Additionally, many organizations fail to implement effective recognition and reward programs, reducing employee engagement and quality initiative. Contextual barriers. These are cultural and relational factors that affect teamwork and communication. Key issues include a lack of cross-functional collaboration, difficulty in shifting organizational culture toward quality-focused thinking, limited employee trust and leadership, insufficient emphasis on problem solving, and ineffective communication across teams. These barriers are often deeply rooted and require long-term change management strategies. Procedural barriers. Organizations often suffer from inadequate process frameworks. This includes a lack of well-defined process management systems, poor customer and supplier engagements, absence of internal audits or self-assessment practices, and poorly prepared change agents. These issues hinder the flow of feedback and prevent continuous improvement in the design review process. A summary of these barriers and their impacts were compiled from a meta-analysis of 400 documents, and it shows that human resource related challenges were the most frequently cited, as you see in table 1, frequency and mean values of quality implementation problems. This indicating the importance of investing in employee development, motivation, and training to drive effective total quality management and design review outcomes. Now, in addition to these internal organizational challenges, there are external and process related issues, specifically rework. Also, handle effective design review. The Construction Industry Institute, CII, highlighted major causes of rework across all project phases and their publication named costs of quality deviation in design and construction. The study shows that the major causes of rework are owner change, designer error omission, designer change, vendor error omission, vendor change, contractor error omission, contractor change, transporter error. So to mitigate these major causes, Construction Industry Institute recommended several strategies, including defining a clear project scope early to limit design changes, engaging all stakeholders in scheduled design reviews, establishing formal procedures to control scope modification/change orders, adopting organization-wide quality management programs with leadership buy-in, under, under, understand the importance of using standardized quality terminology to ensure clarity and consistency. So, as a conclusion of this, overcoming the obstacle in design review systems requires more than just procedural changes. It demands cultural, structural, and strategic transformation. Organization must focus on their human capital, uh, enriching a culture of quality and building integrated systems that facilitate transparency and accountability, as evidenced by both academic research and industry reports. These efforts are essential for reducing costly design errors, avoiding rework, and delivering high quality outcomes in infrastructure and construction projects.